Hello, this is Timothy again on How TV. Today I want to show you how to win on over 2.5 goals. Okay, don't forget to subscribe on our channel for more video. Please click on that notification bell so that anytime we'll upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so let's get started. All right, here, this is the spreadsheet. I will put the link on the description below so that you can download it and use it. It's free, okay? You see all these numbers? This is the website you are going to work with, okay? This is predict prop percent, okay? You see these numbers? Here is it. Predict prop 1, okay? Here is it. Here is it, okay? And looking at this predict prop X, this is X, okay? Here is it. Predict prop X, okay? This is predict prop 2. Predict prop 2, okay? This is tips. This tips is this, okay? All right, so and this is over 2.5. Here is it, over 2.5, okay? And this is the final score, as you can see it here. Look out for 77194, and the tip's supposed to be F1. All right, now look out for 77194. All right, then make sure that the tip is F1, and when you go to over 2.5 goals here, it should be above 64. All right, you see this one is 65. Look at the final score. All right, the final score is 6 goals. All right, 76195. We don't have 76195. We have 7525. 7525. Look at that. Okay, 7525. Then look out for the tips. 7525. The tips is C1-1. So looking at this 7525, we have over 2.5. Look at that. It's supposed to be, see, 75. This is 7525. Look at it. It's supposed to be over 55. All right. Make sure that the over 2.5 is over 55%. All right. Here is it. This is 57%. Look at it. 44. This is how you are going to work with this spreadsheet. I will drop the link on the description below so that you will go through the website and watch on what I really show you. Make sure that the numbers that is on the spreadsheet is exactly the same thing on the website. Okay, so if it is only 1 or 2 that you see on the website, so I think you have to take it like that. Okay, so I think we are good to go. So please subscribe to our channel. This is Timothy again on How TV. Subscribe, comment, and like this video if you find it useful. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.